Gradebooks can be added in a variety of ways. In this video, we will be going over how to add a single new gradebook using the Add Gradebook button. The Add Gradebook button can be found on the dashboard or under the subheader in the Manage Gradebook screen. Clicking on the Add Gradebook button opens up the new gradebook screen. The info line lists the grade levels of the students that you are teaching. The low and high grade levels are entered in your teacher record in areas by the school staff. This line is informational only, and at this point of the Add Gradebook process does not affect the students that will enroll in your gradebook. In a secondary school or an elementary with master schedule, the gradebook name will be displayed with the pattern of period, name, term throughout the entire gradebook. You can enter the period and name of the gradebook, or if you leave it blank and just select the section, then the period and name will be populated for you. In this example, we are going to be creating a 6th period physical science gradebook. So I'm going to select the 6th period section, and using this method, the gradebook name is the course name of the section. You can go back and you can edit the gradebook name if you wish. In this example, all of the courses are year-long courses. Often teachers like to create term-length gradebooks to match up with the grade reporting periods. When the gradebook term is set to year, the dates for this gradebook are from 8/14/2014 to 8/28/2015, which is the length of the year in the school that I am in. When I change the term to fall, the end date changes to 12/23/2014, which is the end of the fall term, and changing the term to spring changes the start date to 1/5/2015 and the end date to 8/28/15. In this example, I'm going to be creating a fall gradebook, so I'm going to select fall again. The dates used for the gradebook should be all-inclusive dates of the gradebook. The gradebook dates are important for several reasons. First, these dates define when the gradebook is active. Secondly, students that enroll in sections associated with this gradebook within these dates will be eligible for this gradebook and will appear in the Add Drop screen. Also, assignments due outside of this range will display as not applicable for the students. In a secondary school or elementary with master schedule school, at least one section must be selected with each gradebook. In some cases, you may want to associate multiple sections with a single gradebook. If multiple sections are selected, then all of the students in all of these sections will be in a single gradebook. It is more typical to keep separate gradebooks for sections and then link like gradebooks so that they have the same assignments. The Linking Gradebooks video goes over this in more detail. In an elementary school without a master schedule, there are no periods or sections to choose, so an elementary teacher would only need to enter a gradebook name, select the term, and verify that the dates are correct. A comment can be entered for each gradebook. This comment is not viewable by the parents or students. It is just for the teacher's use. After all of the options have been selected, click on the Save button to create the gradebook. The Save button can be found towards the top and the bottom of the Add Gradebook screen. At this point, you have created the shell of the gradebook, but must complete several other steps to finish setting it up. If this gradebook is going to have identical categories, assignments, and final marks as another gradebook, then you will want to link the gradebooks. Verify and set up the gradebook options. Next, the categories need to be set up. Then, verify the final marks, and add students, and add assignments. This concludes the video on adding a gradebook. For more information on the steps following creating the gradebook process, please review our documentation or the specific videos for each topic.